Na kraju ćeš otići u Banja Luku s njima. Aješ meni ko te jebe drug, nisi pratio. Nisi me upratio. Jebi se.
Difference between clean plate and plate that we took out from the bike. So basically you need to get rid of this glaze. It's actually, you know, the friction plate material that is stuck on, so I'm using this plastic brush to clean it and then spray it with a brake cleaner, and pretty quick, because you know I don't like to use by hand. Fuck the elbow grease, you know. I do it with machine. Just be careful not to use something very harsh. So yeah, let's go clean the other ones. Brake cleaner. So I use just a plastic brush, very soft for this. With the brake cleaner, and then I just, you know, brush a little bit. Okay. So it's not ideal, but I think it's enough for the friction plate. Okay, now just more brake cleaner, so I can wipe out all the residue. And I think these ones are ready. Okay, so Now the plates are ready and we can put them in. We need to clean a little bit of the pressure plate and all the bits there. The cover is already cleaned. So yeah, everything is clean here, and I put back the screws. One screw that I had a problem with will replace with a new one. I put the medium Loctite on these screws because I'm supposed that they shouldn't loose back in there. So yeah, put the Loctite just to be too sure, and I put the epoxy. Actually, this is the first time I use the epoxy on my Yamaha sign, and now I have, you know, like small bulge there, but I'm really satisfied how this epoxy covered everything. So now when it's completely dry, I'll just brush it and paint this part. So I already prepared this for painting. So now I need to clear this pressure plate, and then back in the bike the basket needs to be cleaned. Of course, it would be much better to just remove the basket and then clean it, but you know, I will try to do it on the bike. I think I can clean it pretty well while it's on bike. And another problem is that I don't have ultrasonic cleaner to, you know, that would be probably the best solution here, but I will try to manage and through the effort clean as much as possible all these parts. Plates are done, and that is great. I'll put them back here. I removed the old gasket, so I just need to wait to a new gasket to come. In the meantime, clean everything there on the bike, and that would be it. Thank you guys.